Okay guys, dito tayo ngayon sa New Pan Asia Supermarket. Ang daming ano dito guys, oh. Fully packed dito. Dito na tayo guys sa Pan Asia. Ang laki kaya nito. Tingnan natin sa loob. Try the sample. Hi! You have a food court.
Mine do the one in Chicago or Las Vegas.
Oh yeah. Ang laki ng Pan Asia dito guys. Grabe. Ang ganda. Yan. Meron silang food court yan. I-try natin yan kakain mamaya. Wow, this is really nice, be. Very organized. Yan, may Manila mango. Wow, this is really cool. It's like the competence of 888 market, you know. Apple. Fresh. It's kind of expensive though. Wow, babe, look. The dragon fruit. Ang ganda dito, guys. Punta kayo dito sa may Pan Asia. Very nice.
It's supposed to be squishy.
Huh? No?
Feel right.
Ah, that's not.
Oh, good.
I didn't use squeeze more. Wow, this is a big sweet potato. Wow, guys, ang ganda dito. Ang ganda dito sa Pan Asia. No, I'm looking something. Here, I need this one. This one? Ang ganda dito, guys. Ang daming tao. Saka, ano, mas marami silang product dito.
Yeah.
Yan, yung mga vegetables nila. Fresh produce. Noodle, cafe, bubble tea, and sushi. Daming mga vegetable nila dito, guys, oh. Meron din silang saging na red na banana. Ayan, red banana. $2.99 a pound. Oy, may buko sila, oh. Coconut. 99 per pound. Wow. Pero parang magulang-gulang na to, ah. Busy talaga sila dito. I need a better melon. Ayan yung better melon dito. Ito naman yung mga eggplant nila dito, guys. And then meron din sila ditong papaya, guys. Hanap tayo ng long beans. Okay, let's go here. Dami nilang ano dito, guys. Saka mas fresh yung mga vegetable nila. Dito naman, mga drinks dito, guys, oh. Meron silang mango, klase-klase, guava. Grabe, guys, ang dami nilang mga product dito na gusto mong bilhin. And they have also a juice. This is a different kind of juice. Wow, this is really big, babe. Right? Dito naman tayo sa mga fruits. Hindi. Halo rin pala to kasi may mga mushroom din. Meron din silang ano, guys, oh. Tamarind. Ito yung wood ear nga mushroom, guys. Oh, kakaiba siya kasi. Dark. These are drinks. And here's the seafood area. Okay, let's see the seafood area. Yan, guys, bonita, $3.19. This is milkfish.
The tuna here. That's not tuna, it's salmon. Oh, the salmon here. No, here's the salmon.
Ayan, tilapia. Wow. Mas maganda yung ano nila dito, guys, seafood area, malinis. Saka hindi maamoy. Yan o. Kakaiba to na isda. Tingnan nyo yan guys. Kakaiba siya. Kuha tayo nitong ano guys. Oh, bangos. Medyo okay pa naman yung mata niya. Saka meron din silang parrot fish. Ang lawak dito guys. Daming ano. Ang dami kang pagpipilian dito. Saka organized talaga. Malinis. They're still cutting. Wow, what's in here? These are the squid. Octopus. Wow, this is big, babe. Look. Snail. Ayan, may snail din sila yan, guys. Oh. Pero ito sila, naka-frozen na to. Ayan, ang dami nilang selection dito, guys. Ito naman yung mga fishball. Ayan, fishball. Grabe, ang daming selection dito. We have crab here, still alive. Not much. Ayan, nakuha na natin yung isda na pinahiwa natin, guys. Tingin tayo naman sa ibang area. Malawak talaga dito, as in. Yan, marami pa silang crab. Wow, there's more crab, babe. $6.99, and these are huge. These are huge one. Wow, that's a lot. That's a big crab. Lobster. $18.99. It's not too bad. Huh? Okay, let's go to the meat product. Wow, ang daming mga pork there. Meron din dito yung mga nakapack na oh. Okay, ikot pa tayo guys. Ayan, meron sila ditong ulo ng ano oh. Pig. Ulo ng baboy. Dito naman tayo sa mga sauce. Egg roll wrappers. Ito yung mga frozen product din nila dito guys. And may mga hot dogs. We should... Oh, they have this shoe pao. This one, babe, is good for snack steam bun. Manila ihaw. Ayan, dami nilang classic-classing shoe pao. Okay, let's dip there. What's in there? This like a bun. It's like a... Maybe the other side. Wow, they have more in this line, eh, gosh. Dito na yun mga rice area nila, guys, oh. They also have this different plates. Hanapin natin yung ating favorite na rice na jasmine. This is like 22, 15 pound. Ang dami nilang klase ng rice, oh. Here's one, jasmine rice. $20. Let's see if they have more cheaper. Ayan, dami pang klase nilang mga bigas dito, guys. Tingnan natin ano ba yung mura. Ito, 10 pound lang, $16. Ito, malaki to siya. This is the kind of rice I'm using. But it's $30. They have a lot of jasmine. You can tell people buying this more. Right? Okay. Okay, ikot tayo dito, guys. Let's go back there, back to the sauce area. Wow, you got a lot of dollars.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the sauce area. Wow, they have more rice here. Different kind of rice. Right? A lot of different kinds of rice. These are mixed rice. Brown and red. Look, they have an octopus. See this? Nakapack siya pero I think luto na yun. Yan, dami rin nilang mga nakapack na mixed seafoods dito, guys. More fish. There's the other bottle stuff, the ketchup spicy. Different kind of sugar. See? Swagger. Different kind of sugar. Malulula ka sa daming mga pagpipilian dito, guys. Busy talaga sila dito, kaya nag-hiring pa ata sila. Kaso siguro busy dito pag dito ka magtatrabaho. Lalo na bagong open lang. Pero maganda dito mag-shopping kung gusto mo maghanap ng Asian products. Here are the noodles, babe. Ang laki ng area dito, malulula ka talaga. Ayan, klase-klaseng noodles. Hanap ako ng noodles para may stock ako. Here's the one, I found it. $1.49. Here's the noodles I'm looking. And this one is cheaper, $2.59. So this is the area for noodles. Here's more noodles here. Hanapin natin yung pancit canton. Wow. It's right there in the house. Mm-hmm. You wanna try this? Yan, guys. Maraming klaseng noodles. Hinanap. Ayan. Ito na yung pancit canton natin. Bulalo. Made from beef. But it's kind of expensive. $1.49. Right? Yeah, that's true. Marami pang space nila dito, guys, o napaglagyan nila. There's more different kind of noodles. Ito naman yung mga chips. Mga sitseria. Here are the snacks, babe. The crackers. The snacks. Punjabi. Mga iba-ibang snacks galing sa ibang country. Oh, ito yung sa atin, guys, oh. We used to eat this back home. This kind. The dried, this is dried dates. Yan. Ito naman is sour grape juice. Ayan yung ating squid. Let's try squid. Squid. Tapos ito yung mga sardines nila. Sardines product. Ham. Grabing product nila dito guys. Siguro yung dami nagsusupply nila dito. Swerte yung mga nakatira malapit dito kasi nandito na lahat yung kailangan nila. Dito na mga seaweed, dried seaweed. Barbecue. Meron na akong ganito guys, Korean barbecue. Masarap yan siya. Hinahanap ko yung oyster barbecue sauce. Hanapin natin yung oyster sauce. Ayan, meron din silang hoisin sauce. Wow, this looks so good, babe. It's like what you call that? It's like a cupcake. Mochi. Have you tried mochi? This is a product from Japan. Huh? We go eat here, babe. Marami pa tayong di naikot, guys. Pero yan lang bibilhin natin kasi ang dami na nating nabili. Yan. Okay, tapos na tayong mag grocery next time na naman at i-try natin yung food nila dito. Meron din silang langka, oh. Langka. Ang haba ng linya dito, guys, oh. Try din natin yung baba tea. Sarap siguro yung food nila kasi maraming kumakain. Meron din silang seaweed na ano guys, $5.99. Dami nilang ano dito. Sushi. And then ito naman yung mga bread nila. Pero ano lang guys, ayan, walnut, purple, yamban. Pero ano lang, konti lang yung selection ng bread nila. Pero mura siya. $2.49. Ito, $2.99. Thank you guys for watching. Grabe, sobrang busy nila dito guys, oh. Ang mga tao kasi nagtatry kasi dito dahil bagong open lang. Tapos meron din silang mga sushi, saka mga bread doon. May bake shop sila maliit dito. Kaya pinipilahan ko ngayon guys dahil newly open lang to. Yung isang kasama ko medyo naboboard na sa kaantay. Ayan, malapit na yung order natin. Ito pala yung in-order natin guys na mango baba tea. Tingnan natin kung masarap na ito. Ano yan guys? Mango pomelo milk. Beef chow fan. And then ito para siyang may noodles. What is that? Is that like pasta? And then beef. And then actually I ordered duck, kaso naubusan daw sila kaya pork na lang yung in-order ko. Okay, let's try. And then ito yung ating drink. Mango pomelo. Let's eat. Ito yung lunch namin today. Dito sa bahay kumain. Magbabayad na tayo sa counter. So, punta kayo dito guys. Marami ditong mapipilian. May bayabas pa, oh. Thank you for watching. Dito yan sa Pan Asia.